Xiaomi's Redmi Note 10 series is undoubtedly one of the most anticipated lineups in 2021. And the company has officially confirmed that the Redmi Note 10 will be announced in early March. The teaser hints at a big upgrade over its predecessor. According to Xiaomi's webpage, Redmi Note 10 series will come with an all-new stunning design, lighter and better, big battery, and supreme quality. Hyperbole aside, the webpage also features a silhouette-like image of the phone, revealing it has a punch-hole camera on the front. And today we have a specs leak of the Redmi Note 10 series. The leak suggests the possible variants in which the handset can arrive. The same leak, which comes in the form of an image posted by a tipster on Twitter, shows the specifications as well, giving us a good idea of what to expect. According to the tipster Xiaomi UI, there will be 3 versions: Redmi Note 10, Note 10 Pro and Note 10 Pro Max. While the Note 10 is said to come in pebble white, lake green, aqua green, frost white and shadow black, the Note 10 Pro and Pro Max are expected to come in glacier blue, gradient bronze, vintage bronze, onyx gray and dark night. As for the specs, the Redmi Note 10 is expected to feature 4GB or 6GB RAM along with 64GB or 128GB inbuilt storage. It can come powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 678 IPS display and a 48-megapixel primary rear camera in the quad camera setup. Redmi Note 10 Pro and Note 10 Pro Max can feature 6GB and 8GB RAM along with 64GB and 128GB inbuilt storage options. Powering them could be the Qualcomm Snapdragon 732G or 768G. It will also feature IPS screen with 120Hz refresh rate, alongside a 64-megapixel camera or a recently popular 108-megapixel primary rear camera that we have been seeing in more budget phones. And finally, a 50-50 mAh power battery. Past leaks recommend that every one of these 3 variants might run on Android 11 with MIUI 12 on board, and each having a 4G and 5G connectivity choices. They are additionally anticipated to combine under-screen fingerprint sensors. The pricing details are yet to be known, but as the launch date isn't that far, we'll surely come across more details for the Note 10 series ahead of their launch, so stay tuned for more info. So, stay subscribed, and thanks for watching. Later.